Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about our project lane detection and driving assist for self-driven cars. So the group members for this project were Yash Kundale, me, Mihir Mali, Aashish Prateek and Shannon. So the objective of our project was to develop a Python module to detect lanes and analyze the optimum velocity of the car at any given point of time. The program would be able to take in video input of the path in front of the vehicle and analyze it to detect lanes in the road and hence find the maximum velocity and optimum velocity at which the vehicle should travel in order for a safe turn. So in the given diagram we are showing how our project would work. So first we would detect the lanes on the road, and using Python we would calculate the curvature of the road, and hence we would get the steering angle, and from that we'll be calculating the optimum velocity. So the modules in our project are first we developed a module to detect lanes on a road. The next module would find the curvature of the road from the video input. And the third module would analyze the maximum and optimum velocity of the vehicle for the given curvature of the road. And lastly, the final module combines all three modules together. So these were our key learning objectives. So the tools and technologies that we used are Python, OpenCV, and we learned vehicle dynamics as well. So the procedure was a module to detect lanes in road was developed in Python using AI&ML. Using the detected lanes of lane, the curvature of the road was calculated, that is the radius of curvature. Hence other factors such as slip angle, steering angle were calculated. Combining the results of curvature and other factors, maximum speed for the safe turn was calculated, and then the maximum speed was displayed on the screen for assisting drivers for calculating the safe speed for self-driving cars. So as you can see, in the first module we detected the road lanes, the lanes in the road, and from this we then calculate the radius of curvature. And so in the video below we can see how we are calculating the radius of curvature of the road. So as you could see in the video, we were able to calculate the radius of curvature of the road at any given point, and hence from this radius of curvature and taking into factor the vehicle dynamics part, that is the friction of the road, friction of the tires, and many other factors such as the load on the car, we were able to calculate the maximum velocity which is possible for a safe turn. So the future scope of the project is that we can modify it to use it with multiple vehicles. We used data for a Honda Accord for our current calculations, and we can also use this as a training software for new drivers so that they can drive safely and know what is the maximum speed at which they should be driving a car at any given point. And we can also use this to limit the speed of car in certain situations to reduce the risk of accidents. So here are the given references which we used for our project. Yeah, thank you.